Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a sun. Let's start off by drawing a scene for our suns. Start with a long horizontal line for the horizon. Then, a line from the middle coming down to the left, and another line coming down to the right for a road. Let's add some rocky cliffs in the distance with a really rough line going to the right that dips down and up for some plateaus and comes down to the horizon here. Then, add a cliff on the right side too. To give the cliff some more detail, extend some lines down from the top of the cliff like so. And add a few underneath as well. Do this on the left cliff too. Then we can draw our sun. Today, we're going to go over 3 different ways that you can draw a sun. We'll all start with a big circle in the sky. For this first sun, draw a big W like so on the top, one on the right side, the bottom, and the left side. Then, connect the blank spaces in between with an arch to finish it off. Drawing your sun like this is great if you want to show a nice sunny day. And drawing the lines in this order will help to keep all the spikes evenly spaced. For our second sun, we'll use the same method. Start with a long line going outward from the circle in the top and bottom. Then the left and right, and a line in between each of those. Then, add shorter lines going outward in between each of those. Drawing your sun like this can make it seem like the sun is shining really bright. For this last sun, just draw some really thin, curved lines along the edge of the circle, radiating outward. Drawing your sun like this can make it feel like it's really, really hot, almost like you're in the desert. In fact, let's add a few cacti around. To learn how to draw a cactus, check out our other video linked in the description below. And now you've got a sun. Let us know in the comments which one is your favorite way of drawing a sun. And be sure to check out these videos for more.